So after prepping my eye, I will be taking a transition color, which is this one right here called Georgia, putting it right above my crease with a big fluffy brush like this one. Then with another fluffy blendy brush like this one, I will be taking the color Puree, which is this one right here, and putting it right underneath that one in my crease also. And now with this smaller blendy brush like this one, also synthetic, I will be getting the color Delectable, which is this purple one right here. And I will be applying that directly to my outer V. And now I will be going in with this angled, somewhat fluffy brush with the color Summer Yum, which is this reddish brown right here. And I will be going right into my crease with this one and blending everything out. And now, as you can tell, I'm going back with my previous colors and adding them back because I felt like I lost some of it. So I'm just blending some of them back in there. Then I will be taking this green eyeshadow pencil and basically coloring in all my lid with it. And then I will be taking this green one right here called Bless Your Heart. And I will be applying that color with the synthetic flat shader brush all over my lid, everywhere where I put that green pencil. And now I'm just going back with my purple shade and retouching my outer V with it and blending it with the green. With this somewhat dense angled brush, I will be taking the color Tempting, which is this dark brown right here on the top. And I will be applying that one all over my bottom lid, close to my lash line. Then going back to my flat shader brush, I will be taking Bless Her Heart again, which is the green one, and applying that right underneath that brown one we put. Here I'm just going back with my fluffy blendy brush and the color Puree and just blending out the outer edges of that green. So that's it, y'all. That's the look. And now here it is with lashes and eyeliner and this like berry colory lip gloss. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe and I will see you on my next one. Bye!